I like safaris. I usually enjoy nature and take photographs.
I like beach holidays. I usually go to the beach, sunbathe, and swim in the sea.
I like cruises. I usually sit by the pool, sunbathe, send postcards, and relax.
I like walking holidays. I usually stay in a tent, take photographs, and enjoy nature.
I like sightseeing holidays. I usually stay at a hotel, go sightseeing, take photographs, visit museums, buy souvenirs, send postcards, and eat local dishes.
I like skiing holidays. I usually stay at a hotel, go skiing, and play in the snow.